Welcome to InstantGMP. Today we're thrilled to showcase our Picklist feature, a vital component of our inventory management system. Engineered in alignment with FDA traceability guidelines, Picklists empower our users with a crucial tool for efficiently managing inventory both within and beyond batch records. This feature provides users with an additional electronic method to consume, track, and manage materials securely stored in the cloud. Let's delve into the Picklist section together. Here you'll find a neatly organized table displaying various pick lists. Different statuses alongside the convenient search bar facilitate easy identification of materials for reviewers and operators. Now let's create a sample pick list for both materials and products to illustrate how material consumption can be tailored to individual preferences. The material pick list empowers users to customize a bill of materials according to their specific requirements. They can define it according to their needs, establish minimum and maximum thresholds for each component, all while maintaining complete traceability of interactions. As we navigate through the tabs, you'll notice the different stages where the user defines, approves, dispenses, and depletes materials. This functionality is ideal for those seeking batch management of inventory without utilizing our electronic batch record feature. Similarly, the product pick list follows the same workflow but leverages our EBR module to define the bill of materials. This streamlines the process significantly. We seamlessly transition to lot selection based on the predefined bill of materials for batches in progress through the various stages. This feature offers the same level of tracking as seen in the previous example, but seamlessly integrates with our comprehensive EBR module, providing an all-in-one solution. Whether for rigorous inventory traceability or an efficient manufacturing execution system, InstantGMP's Picklist function offers our clients another avenue to consume and track materials securely in a cloud-based environment. InstantGMP, simplifying inventory management.